field testing your food truck business. Your first time out and about is always the toughest. One of the best ways you can find out what systems work and what needs improvement are by field testing. Field testing will help identify your system flaws and can bring in great comments and reviews, but we'll get to that in a minute. Field testing is the process of going out and doing a test run to identify where issues may be happening within your business so you can correct them. The best way to truly field test your food truck business is to give away a certain amount of free food during a busy event at a busy time. For example, if you're a gourmet burger truck, try giving away burger and fries for around 100 people. Also, make sure you're testing at a time where people are going to be more perceptive to mistakes and growing pains. This may be frustrating, but it will allow you to test out your order flow, ordering systems, ticketing, and basically everything else other than payments. When the test is done, you'll end up with great feedback and a number of reviews. Use these reviews and this feedback and any stumbling areas you found during the test to fix and improve the flow. Now, after making corrections, you may want to run this test again to ensure your changes are working. You'll find the best part about field testing your food truck business is that it's an easy investment. Spending a few $100s for food and labor could turn out to be the best money you've ever spent. You can learn so much about customizations of orders, what and where any bottlenecks are, and even where you might want to place ingredients on the line for the best order flow. Field testing can be one of the best ways to test your truck, business, and workflow to help make your business thrive. If you're just starting out, field testing is not the only area you'll want to pay attention to. Marketing can play a big role as well, so I suggest you take a look at this video next to learn how to do video marketing in seconds. If you like this information, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can be updated when our new videos come out.